Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your blogging with WordPress Academy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your blogging goals. Analyze what you want to achieve with your blog. Are you looking to reach a wider audience, generate revenue, or establish authority? Next, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This helps to create authentic and engaging content. Then, select the right domain name. Your domain should be memorable, concise, and relevant to your niche. After securing your domain, choose a reliable hosting provider. Look for options that offer speed, customer support, and scalability. Now, install WordPress on your hosting server. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation process for WordPress. Once installed, select a suitable WordPress theme. Choose a theme that is responsive, visually appealing, and customizable. Next, install essential plugins to enhance your blog's functionality. Plugins like Yoast SEO, Akismet, and Jetpack can optimize site performance. Create quality content consistently. Aim for well-researched, informative, and engaging posts that resonate with your audience. Optimize each post for search engines. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags for images. Promote your content through social media channels. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your posts. Consider creating an email list to build a loyal readership. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your email campaigns. Monitor your blog's performance using Google Analytics. Track metrics such as traffic, engagement, and user behavior to understand what resonates. Continuously improve by gathering feedback from your audience. Ask for comments or conduct surveys to learn about their interests. Network with other bloggers in your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.